Hi guys, this is Shauna of Auset's Garden coming to you today to basically do a soap lather demonstration. So I have several different bars of my soap that I'll be basically doing a hand washing demonstration for you. So I'm going to start off with, let's see here. I have all of them over here. And some napkins. Okay, so I'm going to start off. This is my fragrance-free sea moss soap. All right, so this is how the bar is being sold. This is a sample of that same batter. I just put it in like these little mini travel size soap molds that I have for situations like this. Either give them as samples and orders or to basically use for what I'm doing right now. So let me just pull my hair up just a little bit. Anyway, so so this is the sea moss fragrance free soap. That light is kind of bright, but yeah, you can see it from right here. And this is the sample piece. So I'm gonna start. I need to use my napkin to dry my hands. So that's it right there. I'm gonna, as you can see, nice lather. Oh, let me come back here so you can see better. That light is just really bright, but anyway, so it feels great. It's fragrance free, so there isn't, you know, it doesn't have a fragrance. So I'm gonna wash the lather off and dry my hands, and then do the next bar. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to use is, I have this one, Auset. And this bar is already being used in the bathroom, so here it is. This is one of the masculine scents. I have lather on my nose. It's what it smells. It smells so good. I love this smell. Guys, ladies, get that for your guy or a special guy in your life. Ooh, I have lather going everywhere. But this is it on my hands. Oh, I should have did this before. Brought it up here. So that's it. This is that doesn't have sea moss in it, so it's still a vegan soap. It doesn't have any coconut milk or anything in it, just the fragrance oil. I used olive oil. Why is my mind going blank? The oils I use is olive oil, palm oil, coconut oil, and that particular one. My hands feel great. Okay, so that was Auset, U-S-I-R. And the next bowl, the next bar, you know what? Let me try this, my Grinchy Moss. This is like the end piece of the Grinchy Moss soap. And this has sea moss in it. It has so this soap is made with sea moss, but the fragrance oil I used was essential oil. I used cedarwood essential oil. Look at that. Nice lather, white. Come over here so you can see it. Feels great. I can smell the cedarwood. And patchouli. Do I have any more? No, don't have any more on my nose. So we're gonna rinse that off. Water's getting cold. I had put some hot water in here and got distracted and let it sit for like 20 minutes. All right, so that was the Grinchy Moss soap. This is my a sliver of, where is it? I guess I didn't bring it over. Nope, I didn't. I'll go get one. But this is a sliver of dragon's blood. I don't have it up here. I'll go get it. But I did a new batch that has the red, black, and green. It's made with activated charcoal. And I have some green and red in here. So we're going to use this, try this one out. It's activated charcoal. It's a plain soap. This one is olive oil, palm oil, and coconut oil as well. And activated charcoal. Okay, so. Has a nice lather as well. Look at that. Oh, let me come over. There we go. That's the soap. All right, we're gonna rinse that off. This water is kind of cold. All right. So, and my hands feel so great. I super fat my soaps, all of them, 7%. So you have a nice moisturizing soap. I was thinking of kind of super fattening it to maybe 10%. All right, so next I'm gonna, let me try this one. Oh, my hands are still wet. I'm gonna try the candy cane soap. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the candy cane soap. The one I just recently made. One of my new. Oh, there we go. All right, so I have a sliver of it. Again, I usually give this. I take the slivers and put them in a shrink wrap, and usually give it like a free sample with orders. Or if somebody that I'm just sending out, you know, a sample box of soaps to, who's never tried my soaps before, I'll put like little sample pieces like that. It'll be different sizes. That wouldn't go in the mystery bar box. It's too small. But you see that this little sliver still produced all this lather. Nice lather. And the water's still pretty cold. It's not like ice cold, but it's not warm. So, oh, and I forgot to mention that dragon's blood soap with the that's made with the activated charcoal. If you notice that, you know, some people are concerned about like soaps that have color and or activated charcoal, how their concern is that it may stain your tub. But if you notice, the lather that was produced was a white lather. I don't use like black mica or dyes. I use like the natural stuff like the activated charcoal, and it produces a white. It produces a white lathering and suds, so you don't have to worry about staining your tub. All right, so that was the candy cane. Oh, it smells great. That was the candy cane I just used. And the next one, I have like a symphony of smells going on right now. All right, this right here is a sliver of the lemongrass spearmint soap. Well, oh, I was about to say, I know I bought that one over here. Thought I was slipping for a second. Okay, this is the lemongrass spearmint. I have a little sliver of this. That one has coconut milk in it, I think. I should know this. I feel so ashamed. Okay. I think that's enough on my hand. I mean, enough. Yeah, so we get a nice lather from that one as well. Ooh, lather, lather, lather. Oh, it's so nice and silky and smooth. Let me hurry up. I'm running out of time. I can't believe I've been doing this for 11 minutes. I have like a few minutes left. Let me hurry up. Anyways, that was the lemongrass spearmint soap. It is also a vegan soap. No animal products. This is the Cigar Club. I have a